So we just successfully pulled out this bearing carrier with a block of wood, a broken winch cable, and a bottle jack. Look at that. Look at that. Took some finesse, but sometimes I impress myself, and that was freaking beautiful. I gotta get this block of woods on there pretty good. But see that carrier? Didn't mar anything because of the synthetic winch line. Yeah, I gotta put the phone down here. God, that's beautiful. God, bottle jack, it's just amazing. So yeah, I want to keep that prop shaft in there, but I want to get the carrier out so I can do the seals. Let's go easy on it. Get this block of wood off. Well, I'm gonna have to play with it a little more, but it looks like, God, I feel like that should just come right out. But we'll get it. Yeah, so it looks like I gotta get this other part out. We added another block of wood, yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, we got it. We got it. Hell yeah. That's amazing. Would you look at that? That's beautiful. That red oak did good, no damage or anything. Prop shaft is not bent. Yeah, that winch line, that's old broken winch line, but that stuff is tough. There's the O-ring. Well, it'll be good to get a new one. The O-ring does not look too bad. gears look good. It's an interesting kind of washer there. I feel like this little key piece, I want to seal that up. I feel like that's that and the prop seals. That was on top. I might have to do a little something extra on that one to get it out. I feel like it was a combination too. The water pump, that bottom piece, I got a whole new rebuild kit. I feel like it was a combination of that key and the water pump. So if we do this whole new water pump kit, change both these seals out, and put a new O-ring, put it back together, and then put gasket maker on this, seal that up. That's what we're gonna try. But I'm glad I got it. There's a lot of horror stories pulling these out, let me tell you. And right there's some creativity.